Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So today we have an interesting problem in front of us. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 plus x cubed for which the tangent is orthogonal with the line x plus 2y equals 12, right? I want to draw your attention to some of the previous videos we have in our channel which talks about the slope of the tangent. Why do we have dy by dx as the slope of the tangent? What is the equation of the tangent? And what do we have as the slope of the normal to the tangent? And what is the relationship between the tangent and the normal slopes, right? So if you haven't taken a look at my previous videos, please spend some time trying to look at the videos which we put very recently on these topics. So we're going to use some of the learnings from those videos to solve this problem. I'm not going to spend time trying to draw the particular curve because for that we'll have a separate session. So I'm going to quickly get down to applying what we learned yesterday, right? So you have a curve y is equal to 1 plus x cubed. So I do dy by dx of this curve, which is nothing but dy by dx of 1 is 0, dy by dx of x cubed is 3x squared, right? So here we have. And so we know that this is the equation of this tangent. It is also the slope of the tangent to the curve at a particular point x, right? Now we've been given another piece of information. We've been told that this particular line is normal. What do we mean by orthogonal? Orthogonal is very similar to uh, normal, right? Orthogonal and normal mean the same. So now I bring this equation here and I rewrite this in the form y equals mx plus c. So I have 12y. Let me do this in two steps so that we understand this better. Minus x. I rewrite this as minus x plus 12. I divide by 12 on either side. Either side, we get y equals minus minus 1 by 12 times x plus 1, right? So 12 and 12 divide by each other is 1. So we have m, which is right, small m, which is minus 1 by 12. So we've been told that this tangent, right, which is your 3x square, is perpendicular or orthogonal with this line, right? So which means the slope of the tangent is going to be minus 1 divided by m. Is something which we learned in our previous videos. The product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, right? The product of the slope of the tangent and the normal to the tangent is minus 1, right? So take a look at my previous videos if you haven't gone through them. And so therefore minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 12 becomes 12, right? So this is the slope of the tangent. So we go back and we have something else here. We have 3x square equals 12. I bring this down here. 3x square equals 12. So 12 is 3 into 4. So we are left with x square equals 4. And therefore x has two solutions. X can be a plus 2 or a minus 2, right? Minus 2. And what is y then, right? If x is plus 2, then we go back to the original equation that we have, and I'm sorry, I'm going to, right, and let's bring this down, right? Let's apply this y is equal to 1 plus x cube to arrive at the corresponding values of x or corresponding values of y. So 1 plus x cube, which is 1 plus 2 cube, which is nothing but 9. And then you have 1 plus minus 2 the whole cube, which is equal to 1 minus 8, which is equal to minus 7. Right? Now let's go back to the question. We've been asked to find the equation of the tangent, right? So how do we arrive at that? So we have two equations. Equation 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into, I'm sorry, divided by is equals m into x minus x1, right? So this is the equation of a line passing through 2 points x1 and y1, right? And m is the slope of the line. So we have y minus y1. We apply the first set of xy coordinates. We have y minus 9 equals the slope of this line is nothing but we arrived at it earlier, which is 12, and x minus x1, which is 2, right? So we have an equation here, y minus 9 equals 12x minus 24. And solution for okay, so y minus 12x, okay, equals minus 15. So I hope you are with me here. What I do is I move 12x to the other side. So let's re-express this in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So this is your one equation, right? Y equals minus 12x plus 15. Are we right? No, it's plus 12x plus 12x, and it's minus 15, right? So we have one equation for the points 2 and 9, right? For the points 2 comma 9. And now let's move to the second equation that we have for the points minus 2 comma minus 7. We apply the same formula here, right? And what do we have? Y minus y1, which is minus 7. So we have y plus 7. And we have the slope still is 12. And we have x minus x1, which is x minus minus 2, which is x plus 2. So we have y plus 7 equals 12x plus 24, which is nothing but y equals 12x plus 24 minus 7, which is 17. Yeah. So we have two equations as a solution to this problem. The equation is y is equal to 12x minus 15 and y equals 12x plus 17. So what do we actually infer from this problem, right? So the slope of the tangent is equal to 12 at 2 points, right? And the points are x plus 1, x equals plus 2, y equals, what do we have? As the other point, which is 9. And you have another point on the same curve, y is equal to 1 plus x cube. And those points are minus 2 comma minus 7, where we still have the slope equals 12, right? And both these lines are perpendicular to the line x plus 12y is equal to 12, which is nothing but orthogonal to these two tangents, right? So that's all we have in this problem. Thank you for watching my channel. Happy to take comments and feedback. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. Have a good day. Thank you.